Hello friends, good morning. This is Subramani. In this video, I am going to explain how to import sales and purchase vouchers in Tally. Here I have a template. This is an automation. Here you have to enter the voucher number. That is, if you have a purchase, enter the purchase invoice number. This is one invoice having this two purchase and CGST, SGST. So that I filled invoice number, same number in four rows. Similarly, purchases and supplier also I filled in these four rows the same name. The first item is tablet purchase. I have purchased for 5,000 and injection purchase 4,000, CGST this much and GST this much. Here the narration, whatever you wish, you can enter in the first row, not enter these rows. Similarly, sales, here I have one sale entry having CGST, SGST, so that it comes three rows, that is invoice number, enter in three rows. Similarly, sales, voucher type sales, enter in three rows. Date, same date, and customer A. I am selling tablets to customer A, so that here I filled customer A, customer A. Customer A, why I have entered the same name in three rows? Because the tablet sale, for tablet sale and CGST and SGST, the same name. Here the total comes 5,775 goes credit to the customer A account, and this sales account goes to credit to tablet sale account, and CGST, SGST credit to that particular ledgers. And one more invoice, one or two is sales. This is having only one entry, that is, we don't have any GST or whatever it is, so that I entered customer B, and here 4,000 is the sale value. There is no tax, so that is only a single entry. Okay. After finishing all this, I am going to generate, when I click this button, a file will be generated. Okay. If you want this file for your accounting purpose, you can call me at 9543198132. This is my WhatsApp number. You can call this number. Okay. Yeah, I have entered here. Yeah. This is my mobile number. You can call me, or I will give you a link in the description of the video. Okay. Now I am going to click on generate video, generate XML file. Click. Say the import file was safely created. Okay. On desktop, this will go. Actually, in this file is created on desktop, so that the XML file also exported to that desktop. Okay. Now I am going to tally. Here there is no vouchers. Only ledgers I have entered. That is purchase ledger. Say CGST, SGST. Okay. Then customer A, customer B, customer B, C, D. Exempted sale, injection sale, medicine, SGST, supplier A, tablet sale, and tablet purchase. Okay, these are the ledgers. One thing you must have to aware that because these ledgers, similarly you have to feed in the tally. Otherwise, this entry will not upload in tally. Okay, you please be careful. Party name is the party name. Ledger name means here you can enter sale ledger and CGST, HGST, or delivery expense, whatever it is. Okay. Now I am click on generate XML. So XML has been generated. Now I am going to, this is the file, XML file. Now here I am going to import that file, transaction. See here, C colon users admin desktop. We will check the location of the file. Share, security. See here, users admin desktop. Okay, file name is tally underscore import dot xml. Okay, tally dot import dot xml. Okay. Hey, the file is already uploaded in this. Say this is the purchase. Supplier account is credited, purchase account debited, injection purchase debited, and CGST SGST is credited. Okay, perfect. Then go to sale register. Here customer A debited, tablet sale is credited, CGST SGST is credited. Perfect. So this is the way you can simplify your account while entering number of entries, sale and purchases. You can call me at this number 9543198132. You can, I will enlarge that number. Okay, this is my number. You can call at any time. Otherwise, you can mail also, or even you can drop your mobile number on the comments so that I will call you back. Okay. Thank you for watching this video. Bye. Don't forget to share this video with your friends so that everyone is able to learn